first European research chair dedicated to drone integration in the airspace has been developed at ENAC, at the heart of Europe's aeronautics and space capital, the ENAC Research Chair on Drone Systems. This research chair on drone systems was launched in 2015. It is incorporated within ENAC Research Lab through its foundation. It benefits from a rich technical and academic environment dedicated exclusively to the areas of aeronautics and air transport. The work of the chair's researchers, in collaboration with the ENAC research teams, facilitates the development of standards, regulations and technologies for the safe use of drone systems. The main fields of research are detect and avoid, fault detection and management, airport operations, airspace access in the scope of the European Union's U-Space initiative.
In order to open the way for growing civil use of drones, there is a need for standards and regulations at an international level. By opening scientific and technological logs, the chair research team contributes to such standards and regulations. This way, the chair closes the gap between industry, research, regulators and operators.
We build on our school's expertise in drones and on our integration into different European work groups to promote research and education in the field of drone insertion into the airspace. This is an example of the work we carry out within the scope of airport operations. So this prototype can pick up radio signals, thanks to this antenna, geotag the signals, thanks to this GPS receiver, and it's a stepping stone for the inspection of radio navigation systems by drone, such as VOR and ILS.
So this is one of the drones that we generate our faulty flights. What we basically do is we alter the autopilot, and then from the ground station during the flight we can inject some faults for the controls of the control surfaces.
I'm Elgiz. I'm working on fault detection and diagnosis for drones using machine learning algorithms, and I think it's exciting because it will lead to more intelligent, more autonomous and safer systems in the near future.
We are very proud at ENAC that the first ever researcher to focus on safe drones integration in airspace was born within our school. I believe that thanks to the extraordinary expertise ENAC has developed over years in this particular field, and thanks to the commitment of key industrial partners, the chair will shape the future of this emerging activity. The chair allows us to produce essential knowledge and know-hows for the next generation of drones experts.